Welcome to the Village Apartments. Love living on St. Louis University's campus, but looking for a little more space? With options like the Village Apartments, you won't need to look anywhere else. Located on the west side of St. Louis University, along the West Pine Mall, the Village is a popular choice for junior and senior students. Each apartment is furnished, which cuts down on moving and furniture expenses. But the units are otherwise exactly what you'd expect of an apartment. Each unit has private bedrooms that share a bathroom or bathrooms, living room, and kitchen. The Village is also the only residential space on campus that has in-unit laundry facilities. With room for more than 480 students, the Village is spread out among 8 buildings: Anderson, Brown, Chan, Donnelly, Eagleton, Fox Clark, Gunn, and Huh. Open spaces between buildings offer grills, hammocks, and benches for studying or outside dining. The Village has 1, 2, 3, and 4-bedroom models. Let's take a look at the floor plans. The Village Single is a 1-bedroom apartment with a kitchen, bathroom, living room, and laundry room. The Double has 2 bedrooms, a kitchen open to the living area, a bathroom, and laundry room. The Triple has 3 bedrooms, one with a walk-in closet, 2 bathrooms, a laundry room, and a kitchen open to the living area. The 4-person Spider, offered in Anderson, Brown, and Chan halls, offers 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, situated around a common living room open to a full kitchen. This floor plan offers 2 full baths. This model also has a foyer and a laundry room opposite the entrance. Finally, the 4-person Shotgun has an entry leading directly into the living area, and the laundry room is accessed through the kitchen. Kitchens in many units also have a pantry for extra storage and/or linen and coat closets. In the Village, each person has their own bedroom, and many units have either a balcony or patio accessed off the living area. So, what can you do with the space? Each bedroom comes with an extra-long twin bed with a 9-inch memory foam mattress, a dresser, and a 4-drawer desk with chair. The bedrooms also have their own closet. In the living area, you'll find a couch, a holstered chair, a TV stand, end table, and a dining table with 2 chairs. Everything that comes in the unit needs to stay in it during the year, but there's lots of space to bring in personal touches to make the apartment your own. Having your own bedroom in particular offers plenty of opportunities. Bring rugs, lighting, and extra seating. Don't forget plants, both inside and out, and a place to sit on your balcony or patio if your unit includes one. You may also want to bring a microwave, plus dishes, drinkware, and cookware for the kitchen. Remember that individual dimensions may vary. Check the floor plans at slu.edu for general measurements. What else should you know? The Village Apartments have central air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and cable. Surface parking is available, or you can use the Laclede garage. Bike racks are located outside the buildings. Residents of the Village Apartments have access to a community office in Brown Hall and a 24-hour desk service at DeMatteis Hall, another residence hall located nearby. The Village Apartments are open over Thanksgiving, winter, and spring breaks. We can't wait to welcome you to the Village Apartments. Still have questions? Learn more at slu.edu/housing.